The sun beats down, the rivers run dry, the fields turn to dust. This is not a scene from a dystopian future. This is the harsh reality of El Niño in the Philippines. El Niño is a climate phenomenon marked by the warming of sea surface temperatures in the Pacific Ocean. But here in the Philippines, it means more than science. It means suffering. El Niño brings intense drought, crop failure, and water scarcity. Filipino farmers, the backbone of our food supply, bear the heaviest burden. In the last El Niño event, agricultural losses reached billions of pesos, livelihoods destroyed, families left hungry. The impact of El Niño ripples through every part of society. That's why, in my advocacy, we must work closely with the Department of Health, especially by supporting programs like BINHI, Barangay Integrated Health Initiative, and LAWA, Local Assistance for Water Access. BINHI ensures that families have access to health and nutrition support during climate stress. LAWA provides clean and reliable water sources for vulnerable communities. These programs are saving lives, and they need our full support. The Department of Environment and Natural Resources, or DENR, is also taking action, restoring forests, protecting watersheds, and supporting long-term environmental solutions. In Poblacion Moncayo, the local government is leading the way, working with DOH and DENR and the community to raise awareness, conserve resources, and build resilience. This advocacy is part of something bigger. The United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 13, Climate Action, it calls on everyone, governments, communities, and individuals to take urgent action to combat climate change and its devastating impacts. El Niño is a direct consequence of climate disruptions. Rising global temperatures, erratic rainfall, and extreme drought are all signs that a climate crisis is here. SDG 13 is not just a global goal, it's our survival plan. Through local action in Moncayo, through support for programs like BINHI in LAWA, and by promoting sustainability in every household, we contribute to achieving SDG 13, making our communities more resilient, more informed, and more united. This is how we take climate action. This is how we protect the future. Small steps, taken together, lead to national resilience.
Sa likod ng proyektong LAWA at BINHI ng DSWD, nakita ng mga Bicolano na kahit sa harap ng mga hamon, may liwanag na nagbumula sa pagkakaisa at pagkilos.
This is not just about weather pattern. This is about our right to health, food, water, and safety. This is our call to act now.
Sa halos 4,772 beneficiaries ng Cash for Training and Work Program, tumanggap ang bawat isa ng 7,900 pesos. Isang suporta na nagbigay daan para sa bagong simula. 38 water facilities ang naitayo, kabilang ang 12 small farm reservoir at 26 na mga balon na may kapasidad na higit 72,605 cubic meters ng tubig. Kasabay nito, ang BINHI ay nagbigay buhay sa 145 community gardening sites na may lawak na 105,116 square meters.
Together with DOH, DENR, and the people of Poblacion Moncayo, we rise to the challenge. We support BINHI, LAWA, and the fight for climate action under SDG 13. No Filipino shall be left behind.
Isa kami sa nabinibigyan ng benepisyo ng proyektong ito.
Napakalaking bagay po nang naibigay sa amin ng LAWA at BINHI.
Maraming salamat at tayo nagkaisa para at nagkabuklod-buklod para sa isang proyektong maganda ng DSWD.
Tunay na makapangyarihan ang pagkakaisa. Sa proyektong LAWA at BINHI, yak na maaabot natin ang isang masagana, matatag at maliwanag na bagong Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat, DSWD!